Hi guys, today I'm going to try speaking in English because I always speak with my own dialect. So, to the Philippines, forgive my English because I know you're very, how to say that, sensitive. You always, this grammar is wrong, but yeah, to be fair, so I want to try. So I'm gonna talk about the term that we're using in the ship. Let's start with mamagayo. So mamagayo term is a person that is working but actually pretending. So in short, a lazy. So when the boss is around, they're gonna work, but when the boss is not around, they're missing. Sometimes they hide, I don't know. Sometimes they stand in a corner. But to tell you guys, I've been working with mamagayo people before, but I already informed my boss because it's like a week that I'm working with him. He just standing in one place. So I call my boss. I ask the people there, the person there who notice also, and they're giving me an advice to inform my supervisor. So what I did is I called him. I told him, like, I cannot work this partner kind of partner. Please inform him next time. I'm hoping that he's gonna help me in my task, because it's been a half day. He just stayed and me is crying and full of sweat. So what did my manager said? Okay, I will change your partner. So they give me a hardworking partner. Charot lang. So I'm very happy that they give an action for my small problem. So thank you so much for the English.